Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to look at the problem word pattern from today's LeetCode daily challenge. So according to the problem statement, we'll be given a pattern along with a string s, and we need to find whether the given string s follows the same pattern or not. So here follow means a full match such that there is a bijection between a letter in pattern and a non-empty word in S. Okay, so we'll be given a string S, and that string will comprise of words. Each letter in the pattern should correspond to a particular word, a unique particular word in the given string S, and at the same time each word in the given string S should correspond to exactly one letter in the pattern. Okay, so if this property is followed, then we can return true, otherwise we need to return false. Let us see the approach to solve this problem. So as we need to check if there exists a bijection or not, we want that each letter in the pattern should correspond to a particular word in the given string S, and at the same time each word in the given string S should correspond to exactly one character in the pattern string. Okay, so if this property is maintained, then we can say that yes, the bijection exists. And to check this, we will use hash maps or dictionary to map words in the string to character in pattern. We'll be using two hash maps as we need to check the bijection. So in the first hash map we will map words to character, and in the second hash map we will map character to the words. Okay, so let us see some examples and it will be clear why we are using two hash maps. In the first example, the pattern string is ABBA and the string of words is this: dog, cat, cat, dog. So what we'll do is, the first condition that we are going to check is that the number of words in our given string S should be equal to the length of the pattern. If the number of words are not equal to the number of characters in the pattern string, it means that there is a shortage, and that's why we are going to return false. Okay, so as in this case the condition is followed, we are going to move to the next part. So what we'll do is we are going to traverse through each character and each word. So let me just write the indices for better clarity. We have 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so at index 0 we are having character A and we are having word dog. So we are going to check if this character is present in this first hash map, which I named as character word. So as this character is not present, it means that we can add this character to our hash map. So we will do this. We will add A, and corresponding to this A we will have word dog. Okay, and at the same time we are going to add this dog to the second hash map, as we are maintaining two hash maps. So in our second hash map we are going to check if dog is present in our second hash map word char. So as dog is also not present, we can add it to our hash map. So this is what we need to do in every step. Before doing this, we need to check. What we are checking is, if let's say if this character in our pattern is present in the first hash map, then we will check if the word if the word corresponding to this character in this hash map is not equal to this word that we came across, then we are going to return false because both the words should be same. So this will be clear in a while. So then we'll move to the next index. In the next index, the character is b and word is cat. As b is also not present, so we are going to add it to our hash map here. Corresponding to this character, we are having word cat. Similarly, we will check if cat is present in our word char map. So as it is not present, so we are going to add this also. So cat we are going to add, and corresponding to this word we are having character b, so we will add it. Now again we'll move to the next index. So as you can see in the next index, again we are having the same character b. So we will check if this character is present in our first hash map. Basically, first hash map is to map each character to the corresponding word, and second hash map is to map a particular word to a corresponding character in the pattern. Okay, so as this character b is already present in the first hash map, so we are going to check if the word in our hash map corresponding to this character is same as this word that we came across. So as cat is equals to cat, it means that words are matching, hence we can continue. Okay, if the words were not same, we will return false at that time. Next, what we'll check is we will check if this word is present in our second hash map. So as you can see, cat is also present in this word char map. So we are going to check if the character corresponding to this word is same as the character which we came across in the pattern. So as in our map we are having character b, and in our pattern also we got b. So as both the characters are same, we don't need to return false. So we are going to continue. We move to the next index. Now in the next index we are having character a. So as this character is already present in the first hash map, so we will check if the word corresponding to this character in the map is same as the word which we came across. So as dog is same as dog, we will not return false. And then we are going to check our second hash map. We will check and we will find that dog is also present in our second hash map. So we will check if the letter corresponding to this word, which is a, is same as the letter which we came across in our pattern. So as both the letters are same, we will not return false. And we are going to continue. And after we are done with all the letters and words, at the end we can return true. Okay, now let us see another example for more clarity. Going to do the same thing. We will iterate through the given strings. So at 0 index we are having character a and word dog. So we will check, and as both the maps are empty, we can add them to our hash maps. So firstly, in our first hash map, we are going to map the character a. We are going to write character a, and corresponding to this character we are having word dog. Okay, and the same way we are going to add this word dog to our second hash map, and it should always have character a. Okay, now we are going to move to the next index. So we will move to the next index 1. Now here is the catch. In this index we are having character b. So when we'll check the first hash map, we will find b is not present in this character word hash map. So here it is not a problem. But when we will check this word in the second hash map, we can see that dog is already present in our second hash map. and when we check, the character corresponding to this word is not same as the character that we got in our pattern. Here we are having character A, but in our pattern at the current index we are having character B. So as they are not same, it means that bijection is not followed. We are going to return false. Okay, so I hope it is clear why we need to maintain two hash maps. The thing is, this word dog is actually pointing to two different characters in the pattern, and because of this bijection is not followed, and hence we are going to return. That's all we need to do. I hope it was clear. Now let us move to the coding section. So this is the code. We'll be given a pattern string and a string of words, okay, s. So firstly I have initialized two hash maps. First hash map is to map each character to word, and second hash map is to map each word to a character. Then I have created a list of words from string s, and firstly I am checking if the length of the if the number of words is not equal to the number of characters in the pattern string, then we are returning false. This is the first condition that we need to check. If it is true, then we will iterate through each character and word. So at a particular index, I'm first finding the word at that index and the character corresponding to that index in the pattern string. Firstly I'm checking. So here I am checking if the character is already present in character word hash map. I will check if the word corresponding to this character is same as the word at the current index. If it is not same, we will return false. If it is same, we are going to continue. So the next thing that we'll check is if the current word is present in the word hash map. We will check if the character corresponding to this word in this hash map is not same as the character at the current index. If this character in the hash map is not same as the current character in the pattern string, we are going to return false. Otherwise, what we'll do is we will map them in both the hash maps. We are going to map the character to the corresponding word and the word to the corresponding character. Okay, so after doing this, we will do this for each particular index. We will check if bijection is maintained or not, and at the end we are going to return true. And if I submit this, so as you can see, the code got accepted. So this was it for this video. I hope it was clear, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.